In this video tutorial we're going to cover adding CAPTCHA to the contact form on the website. This cuts down on spam, as you've probably seen it on other websites where you have to put a little tick in a box or select images of vehicles or whatever in order to verify that you're a human person. If we have a look at the contact form here, you'll see that there is no CAPTCHA. So providing all the fields are filled out, the name, email address, subject and message, an email will be sent from the server to the client. In some cases that's perfectly fine because people don't get spam, but in other cases it can be a bit of an annoyance. So what we do is we add CAPTCHA to this form, and I'll show you how to do that now. The first thing we need to do is head on over to Google CAPTCHA and we add the website using this form. So I just take the URL and put that in there, and I'm going to use CAPTCHA 2, and I'm going to add it here as well. Accept the terms of service and click register. And we'll see there we have the site key, so I'm just going to copy that. And then we go into the administration backend for the website, and you'll see here we have the admin area. I'm just going to go to the plugins and find the CAPTCHA plugin. You see there we have CAPTCHA ReCaptcha, which is disabled, and I'm going to add the site key and then the secret key and enable that plugin, and then save and close. And now what I need to do is make Google ReCaptcha the default setting. So you'll see here when I go to System and Global Configuration, there's an option here that says Default CAPTCHA, non-selected. So I'm just going to select ReCaptcha, click Save and Close, and that. Now I just need to go over to the website. I'm going to go to the home page and then back to the contact page and open up the contact form, and you'll see now we have CAPTCHA. Of course this doesn't eliminate spam 100%, but it does make spam a lot less problematic. Hopefully that's of use. If you need any help, just log into What Know website and raise a support ticket. Thanks very much.